how can you use Google Translate on the iPhone? Let's explain that and let's get started. If it's your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe and become part of the community because I have so many explanations which I think you're gonna like. So, of course, the first step is to check out the App Store where you have the ability to download the Google Translate application. It's free to download and install, so go ahead and do that. Then you can see we can open up the app and we basically have three sections in here, right? So the main page which opens up is literally for you to type in some text and select the language you want to translate from and to. So you can choose it, for example, to detect the language or choose like in English and translate it to Spanish, right? That's how you can change it this way. So that's pretty simple. Another way would be to import the text or write it in using your finger, literally. So in the top right corner, we have this like pen icon. So you can now start writing with your finger instead of using the keyboard if you prefer it that way. Then in the top left corner, we have the saved and transcripts, right? So you can see that if you have saved some of your translations, you can save it by clicking the star icon. You'll be able to find those in this section, right? So if you have some favorite translations, this is where you can find them, right? So that's, of course, the thing you need to know. Of course, when it comes to languages, you can see some of them have the download icon or like the arrow icon next to them, which means that you can download those languages for offline use as well. This is especially useful when traveling and perhaps not having access to proper internet connection. So you can save the languages in advance and then have the ability to translate even without internet. So that's incredibly useful. Then at the bottom, we also have the camera button, which allows you to point your camera directly at some text and have it translated in real time, or capture the photo and choose, the text you want to translate. Very useful. And also you can upload your pictures from the gallery and have the text on those pictures be translated. So again, very useful stuff. And one last feature, which is also kind of like looked over by a lot of people, it's the conversation feature, right? So you can ensure that you started like that, and you can just have two people speaking in their own language, and your phone will pick up on that said language and translate it to the other. So it works in real time. This is when you want to talk to other people in real time, not just like type something in and, then have it translated. Like both people can communicate and like talk to the phone in their language, and the other person will have it translated. So that's also very useful. So that would be about it from me. Let me know if you want to see more, perhaps some like comparison between Google Translate and Apple Translate. Like that would be interesting, I guess. So stay tuned for more by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.